Hello, I hope you're okay, and in this lesson we are going to deal with a definition of beat around or beat about the bush, as well as how to use it in a sentence. Let's begin with the definition. We have two definitions here to help us understand the meaning of beat around or beat about the bush. We are going to look at our definitions one by one. Let's go to our first definition. Beat around or beat about the bush means give a lot of unnecessary information in order to avoid getting to the point. Beat around the bush means give a lot of unnecessary information in order to avoid getting to the point. That is our first definition. Let's go to our second definition. In our second definition, we have this meaning. Beat around the bush or beat about the bush means talk about something indirectly because it's difficult or embarrassing. Talk about something indirectly because it's difficult or embarrassing. It means that when somebody says stop beating around the bush, that person is telling you to give a direct answer, to do not talk about something indirectly, or to do not give a lot of unnecessary information. He means that you should just get to the point, or you should give a direct answer, or you should give an immediate or quick answer. Now let's go to the examples. I hope these examples will help you understand clearly what I was trying to help you understand through the definitions. In our first example, we have this sentence number 1. Stop beating around the bush, just get to the point. Stop beating around the bush, just get to the point. When somebody tells you to stop beating around the bush, that person is telling you to stop giving a lot of unnecessary information, or to stop answering in an indirect way, to give a direct answer, or to give a quick or an immediate answer. To stop beating around the bush is to give a direct answer, or to talk about something directly. In other words, to just get to the point. Let's go to our second example. When I asked her if she could lend me some money, she started beating around the bush. When I asked her if she could lend me some money, she started beating around the bush. This means that when I asked her if she could lend me some money, she started giving indirect answers, or she started giving a lot of unnecessary information, meaning that the information she was giving me was not much related to the answer I was looking for. It means that the information she gave me did not help me know whether she could give me that money or not, or whether she could lend me that money or not. It means that she did not get to the point, and the point I was looking for was whether she could give me money or not. Now I hope through these examples and definitions we have seen in this lesson, you are now able to use and understand beat around the bush when it is used in a sentence. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss the coming lessons. See you in the next lesson.